Hi everybody, it's April, and I am running way behind. It's been a while. So this is my Leither company unboxing for June, July, and August. And I'm not going to go in any particular order, whichever ones I grab first. Which I believe this one is August. And in August I only got the hook. I skipped the yarn for August. But I didn't want to miss out on the hook because it's a different size every month. And Neapolitan was the yarn for ice cream collection for August. And this hook goes perfect with Neapolitan ice cream. And I saw the yarn on their YouTube channel and it was beautiful. This is the merino, and this is the cotton. And as always, it comes with a one scan pattern. And I know she also puts different stitches and patterns on her YouTube channel. I believe her name is Ashley, and this is actually my second time doing this video because I realized after I caked these up that I kept calling it Leatherman Company instead of Leither, so I had to redo it because I went back and watched the video, and if I only had done it a couple times I was just gonna apologize, but I did it through the whole video, so I had to redo it. But anyway, this is August and it is an H, which is a 5mm hook. This is Into the Woods collection, and this is June's. And this is the hook that goes with it, which goes perfect with this picture, and I also think it goes perfect with the yarn, which is a tweed. Let's see, I think this one I have the label off of. Trying to get it so you can see it. And this is a sock yarn. It's caplet tweed sock, 85 merino and 15% dungle nep. I don't know how to say that. 438 yards. And I believe, let me see, what was her pattern? She has a caplet beanie pattern, and I think this is supposed to be the cotton, maybe. I think it is. But it is, oh, it's a shawl, Into the Woods crochet shawl. And you guys all know I love these hooks. This isn't sponsored, but you'll want to go check them out. Check her website out. I'll put a link in the bottom for you guys to do it that haven't checked it out already. Because if you've watched any of my other Leither unboxings, I love the hooks. The yarn, I like it. I love it. It's beautiful. But my best thing out of it is the hooks. I can crochet forever without my hands hurting. That was June, so this should be July. Yeah. And this was, that's the merino, which is this that I'll show you. And this is the cotton, which, like if you do like I do and get the prescription box, if you're allergic to wool, you can get cotton. This is the hook, which I think goes perfectly with the theme of tropical. And it is a F. And this is the beautiful yarn that I think looks very tropical. See if I can get the light to shine on it. That right there is pretty true to color. except for maybe some of the lighter spots in the green and the different in the orange and yellows. Sorry about all the shaking. This is Tropic Sport, and it's 100% merino and 328 yards. And this is the Confetti Deluxe box with the extra scan of yarn. The regular deluxe boxes come with one scan of yarn, your hook, and the pattern book, and usually a little pen, what are they, enamel pens, or a stitch marker. This one came with a pineapple pen, and this one came with a little Red Riding Hood pen. And then where I just got the hook and the pattern, I didn't get a pen for that one. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and the reason I haven't been on for a while is I fell and I hurt my shoulder, and my hands have been going numb really bad, so I haven't been able to crochet anything or hold my hands like I was to show the yarn and stuff, because it makes my hands go numb. But my arm's getting better, and I'm hoping to be back with more regular videos. So thank you guys all for sticking around and watching. I hope you have a great day.